Meron po siyang wattage na 600 watts per channel, 6 pieces capacitor na 63 volts, 10,000 microfarad, 10 pieces left and right transistors, at meron din siyang 2 pieces exhaust fan. At sa kabila naman ay ang ating CA6000 na may wattage na 1,000 watts per channel, 16 pieces capacitor, 63 volts, 15,000 of at 26 pieces per channel audio transistors. PVA CA Plus 28 3U. Input power 220 volts at ang wattage ay 1,000 watts per channel at merong 12 pieces 63 volts, 22 capacitors, 36 pieces audio transistors per channel at dalawang exhaust fan. Sa kabila naman po ay ang ating PVA CA Plus 18 3U na may wattage na 1,650 watts per channel, 8 pieces 63 volts, 15,000 microfarad at 16 pieces audio transistors per channel.